Come back to the presence of God. Let these scriptures calm your mind, quiet your spirit, and remind you that His peace is still available for you right now. Take a deep breath and listen. John 14:27. Peace I leave with you. My peace I give you. God offers a peace the world can't reproduce. Let His words settle over your mind like a soft blanket, reminding you that you are safe in Him. Isaiah 26:3. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast. When you focus on God instead of fear, your mind becomes anchored. Peace begins to grow where anxiety used to live. Philippians 4:7. And the peace of God will guard your hearts and minds. His peace doesn't just comfort, it protects. Like a shield around your thoughts, it defends you from worry and confusion. Psalm 4:8. In peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone make me dwell in safety. When night brings overthinking, remember, you are held, watched, and protected by the one who never sleeps. Colossians 3:15. Let the peace of Christ rule in your hearts. Let peace be the ruler. Let it guide your decisions. Let it calm the storms inside you. Psalm 94:19. When anxiety was great within me, your consolation brought me joy. God sees when your thoughts spiral. He knows when your chest feels tight, and He steps in with comfort and quiet joy. Matthew 11:28. Come to me, all who are weary. You don't have to pretend. You don't have to be strong all the time. Just come to Him. He gives rest that reaches deep into your soul. 2 Thessalonians 3:16. The Lord of peace Himself give you peace at all times and in every way. Peace in the morning, peace in the night, peace in confusion, peace in waiting, peace everywhere you go. Psalm 46:10. Be still and know that I am God. Stillness is where clarity returns. Stillness is where your mind breathes again. Stillness is where God reminds you that He's in control. Romans 15:13. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in Him. As you trust Him, peace rises inside you like a gentle river. Let His hope overflow and steady your heart. Proverbs 3:24. When you lie down, you will not be afraid. Your sleep will be sweet. God doesn't just promise peace. He promises rest, a quiet mind, a calm heart, a night free from fear. Psalm 37:7. Be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him. Not every answer is instant. Not every prayer is immediate, but peace grows in the waiting because God meets you there. John 16:33. In me you may have peace. The world may shake. Life may surprise you, but in Jesus, peace remains unbroken, untouched, and always available. Take another breath. Let your mind soften, your shoulders drop, and your heart rest. The peace of God is with you right now, in this moment, and He will carry you through whatever comes next.